course of information systems. First, we are going to start with hardware. What is hardware? Hardware is the physical parts of a computer. Some parts are not seen, leading parts to be differentiated as internal and external, limited to specifically designed tasks. The types of hardware: you got the hard disk, the CPU, the RAM, the mouse, the keyboard, the printer, and the monitor. Types of hardware: there's 4 types. The first one, computer monitor. It's a device that shows the picture. It's similar to a television. Its higher display resolution its higher display resolutions are higher than televisions. Number 2 is the RAM, random access memory. The form of computer chips allows data to be read or written in the same amount of time. The other 2 types of hardware. Number 3 is the video card. The video card is an expansion card which generates a feed of output images to a display device. It has their own memory separate from the main computer. It's usually faster than the main computer memory. Number 4, the CPU, the central processing unit. It's an electronic circuit that executes instructions that make up a computer program. The CPU sends signals to other parts of the computer, serving as the brain. Here are the images. Images of the monitor in the upper left, the RAM to the right, upper right, video card, lower left, CPU, so lower right. Next is software. What is software? Software is the collection of data or computer instructions that tells the computer how to work. It comprises the whole set of a program, procedures, and routines associated within the computer. There are 2 types of software: system and application. From these 2 types, there are other programs and software systems that stem from them. System software, computer program designed to run a computer's hardware and application programs. Most popular example of system software is the iOS. Number 2 is the application software, is also known as an app. Software designed to perform a specific task or tasks. Here's a diagram of how it all stems. At the top of the food chain, software is a set of programs that governs and functions the computer. Moving on to the left, system software controls the internal computer operation. Stemming down again, system management program is the operating system, device drivers, system utilities. Developing software, you have programming language, language translator, linker, loader. Moving on to the right, the application software carries out necessary operations for a specified application to function. General purpose software, word processor, presentation, spreadsheet, image editor. Specific purpose software, reservation system, attendance system, billing system, report card, generator. Now move on to telecommunication. Telecommunication is the transmission of information by various types of technologies over wire, radio, cable, telephone, or broadcasting. Basically all the ways we communicate and how that has evolved as far as communication. No more string and cans anymore. Types of telecommunication. You have telecommunication towers, which are comm towers, made to support antennas for mass broadcasting. Number 2, we have satellites, created to help communicate with people all over the world. Then you have cell phones, telecommunication through cellular networks known as cell sites. Transfers from link to link or cell tower to cell tower as the cell phone travels. This is a diagram of how it works. How you have the satellite communication going into telecommunication tower. Telecommunication tower able to go to satellite dish. The television equipment is linked to the satellite dish, online TV, and TV antenna. Online TV is linked with television equipment and Wi-Fi router, while the Wi-Fi router is only connected to the online TV. Then globalization. Globalization. Technological globalization is speeded in large part by technological diffusion, the spread of technology across borders, creation of new technology, such as the telephone and internet. It's big on information. If you look at the diagram, that's how it makes everything intertwined, making it global. This slide is the timeline of technological evolution. How 18 years ago you have internet commercialized, then the first mobile phone, then the Google search engine, then the BlackBerry, then the whole Facebook frenzy, then Twitter, then iPhone creation, Groupon introduced, smart tablets, Google Glass, and now modern day is new apps tailored from everywhere. All of that plays a course on the internet. Internet is World Wide Web, or WWW. It's an information system where documents or other web resources are identified by uniform resources locators, or such as URLs. It's a connector of computers all over the world. How has the internet evolved? One is in speed. It's gotten faster and faster every year, by the decade. More data is offered. You can find more things. No more have to go into a library just to find a few facts. The internet has it all. It's a faster message sender and recipients. And there are a lot more tools to use on the internet, such as measurements, enhanced downloadable software, calculators, and dictionaries. Internet is very well intertwined with globalization. You look in this diagram, you see all the computers connected to the globe, to the world. That's how the internet works, all connected. The labor force. First, what is the labor force? Labor force is the number of people employed and number of people unemployed who are looking for work. The size of the labor force also depends on those who are likely to find work. Look at this diagram. The upper portion are the elderly, the lower portion are, let's say, the 20s and 30-year-olds, or some teenagers fresh out of college. That's the difference. How does technology change the labor force? One, no need of many humans, because the technology now is an increased number of robots has cut down productivity costs, resulting in more bots with jobs and humans without. Number two is the window of opportunity. Technological substitution for manual work increases the need for more qualified expertise, which results in high-skilled, tech-savvy, and analytical individuals. Also, get paid more. This is the slide of my references. This concludes my presentation. These are my reference points. Thank you for your time. I hope this video was very useful to help you understand information systems and how it works.